The National Health Insurance Fund, NHIF, is about to be replaced by a new fund called the Social Health Insurance Fund, SHIF, if a bill that is before Parliament passes. And this will have implications on your paycheck. This SHIF bill proposes that every salaried worker will contribute 2.75% of their gross pay. Now, when you combine this 2.75% with the current payee level and the recently introduced housing levy, somebody earning 50,000 gross will now be deducted more than 10,000 in their salary, and their take home will now be 39,736 as compared to 41,541. If you're earning 100,000, your take home will now be 72,611 if this bill passes. This is as compared to 76,000 previously. If you're earning 200,000 gross, your take home will drop to 138,361 as compared to 146,041 previously. For people who are earning 350,000, their take home will reduce to 236,986, which is compared to 251,041 shillings previously before these two deductions were introduced. For someone who is earning 500,000 shillings, their take home will now drop to 335,611 shillings as compared to 356,041 shillings previously. For those who are earning 800,000 gross, their take home will now drop to 503,894 shillings as compared to 566,041 shillings previously. Now, with these deductions increasing and with the cost of living being high, you may want to consider some tips to improve your financial situation, such as cutting down on expenses. You may want to sit down and look at the expenses that are eating into your paycheck so that you have areas to cut down. Also, consider getting a second income stream, whether that is a side hustle, which may be just offering a service as a freelancer, or starting a side business. Money254.co.ke has written about strategies to increase income. There we have also written about passive income streams and other ways to survive the high cost of living. Click on the link provided to learn more.